Okay guys, going back to Traders Clinic and answering some questions. So let's flick this over very quickly. So in the Discord, if you come to Traders Clinic, you'll see there is Ask Scruff. Now here I do video logs. Ask a question, I'll just come into it and I'll come to camera and answer. This question is not as daft as it seems. Slowly get my head around the concept of madness. Madness is a form of dollar cost averaging, and it's a way of getting a better position in while reducing your exposure while at the same time increasing the upside. Now, the question is, if the price triggers 4 and 5, why do you kill it when it comes back to the start? Well, it's very simple. With most things, you need a set of rules. Otherwise, you fall into the gambling trade. And looking at that, that is definitely the gambling trade. Because it's a case of, I need it to win. I need it to win. It's got to win. No. What you've got to do is protect the account. That's what madness is all about. I trade on what I call trading on the back foot. Now, excuse me, I need a coffee. Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee and I haven't been off camera all day. Trading off the back foot means I'm always defensive. Now, yes, you go 1, 2, 3, that's your trade. If it goes beyond sort of where you set your primary position, and that is you might think you only need 2, I work on 3. So once I've got 3 triggered, that's my trade. If I go to 4, I've got a good chance I'm wrong. If I go to 5, I'm definitely wrong. So 4 and 5 are defense mechanisms set in stone with rules. 1, 2, 3, go to target. 4, I get out where I got in. 5, I just get out. That's it. Very simple. Cast iron rules protects the account. If I just go, well, I've got 5 in now and it's moving for me. Woohoo! What about the days I'm wrong? Because that's what it's all about. It's about being wrong. Worst case scenario is I've got out of the market, I've reassessed it, and I re-enter. And where would I be re-entering? I'd be re-entering at a better price anyway, with less risk, and start the process again. So that's the method behind it. But I say it so many times. If you're chasing the market and you're looking to win and win and win, and it's the big debate on scalps. I get pulled about scalping all the time. No, it's the way to go. It's perfectly the way to go. I talk to people in brokers that have the stats over years. Not just what's on YouTube saying I do this. Actually the stats. Scalpers don't make it, and scalpers are always chasing the market. The moment you're chasing the market, you're over. The game is finished. You need to go to the market with a solid set of rules, a solid set plan. And if you have that plan, stick to it. Now, I work with frameworks, my levels, they were a framework. Then I look for a dominant direction. I move from level to level. But if I'm wrong and it's going to a level below, I know there's a good chance of a bounce. So I'll average into that bounce and then get out. And that's the essence of madness. It's how it works fully. Now, if you go into, I can't remember which module it is actually. Give me a second, I'll quickly find it for you. Go into the video vault where the Scruff. Madness is one of the modules. That is there. Module 22. It explains it in module 22 fully. But the reasons behind it is purely defense. Worst case scenario, you can go back to market. Best case scenario, you're out scot-free. Hope that helps. Catch you on the next one.